The 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades has upgrades like front and rear axles, transfer case and transmission also offer raised vents for improved waterfording. Combined, these design changes lead to waterfording capability of 36.4 inches. For situations when Bronco Everglades or another vehicle needs extra traction beyond what the tires and engine can provide, a heavy-duty modular front bumper by Ford Performance with ZEON winch, featuring 10,000-pound capability and a 100-foot synthetic line, is ready to help. Everglades also comes standard with a protective safari bar, rock rails and the same steel bash plates found on Black Diamond and Badlands Bronco models. A unique carbonized gray grille with gloss black Bronco lettering enhances its functional appearance. The Sasquatch Package features 17-inch carbonized gray-painted alloy wheels with 35-inch Goodyear mud terrain tires. Additional exterior appointments include rock rails to protect the lower sills, plus a molded-in-color hardtop and roof rack with crossbars. It is a special edition trim for off-roaders, with a winch, 35-inch tires, 5 underbody bash plates, snorkel and roof rack that comes standard.